Safari World Thailand Part 2. Come with me on a super fun adventure. Don't forget to watch the full video to see everything. Friends, subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like, okay? Look, what is that cute fluffy animals? It's an alpaca. He looks like a teddy bear with a long neck. He's looking at me. So soft and funny. Wow, look at that parrots! So many colors, red, blue, green, yellow, like a rainbow. Can you count how many parrots you see? 1, 2, 3. Now look down. What's in the water? Fishes. They're big and small. I see silver and black fishes swimming fast. Splash, splash. Oh, look at the baby tiger. Oh, wow. That girl is giving him a bottle of milk. Tiny and so cute. Do you want to feed the tiger too? Wow, look at this. It's so beautiful. You know what it's called? I wondered. It's a bird with a long mouth and white feathers. I wonder what it's singing. Do you know what it's called? It's bird show time. Wow, that bird is riding a bicycle. Tiny bird is doing tricks. Look at that tiny bird doing tricks. So smart and funny. Would you like to clap with me? Yay, buddies! Oh look, the flamingos are coming. Wow, look at this. It's so beautiful. Look there. It's a million tapir. It has black and white stripes like a panda. Isn't that funny? Panda plus pig equal tapir. Friends, subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like, okay? Ooh, camels. They have humps on their back and they grew. Would you ride a camel? Can I hug him, please? Wow, look at this. It's so beautiful. Now the giant elephant. He's waving his trunk. He's so big, like a walking mountain. Hello, elephant. Can I hug him, please? Friends, subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like, okay? Look, there's a sea lion swimming. Did you like sea lions or dolphin more? Oh yeah, I like dolphins. Wow, look at this. It's so beautiful. Shh, what's that in the forest? It's the big tigers. But don't worry, they are just sleepy. So many amazing animals today. Which one did you like the most? Alpaca, tiger, bird on a cycle? Friends, subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like, okay? Wow, look at this. It's so beautiful. Let's play a game. Did you remember 3 animals we saw? Say it loud and comment on our comment box. Don't forget to comment, okay? I'll give you a reply to your comment. Don't forget to watch the full video to see everything. Wow, look at this. It's so beautiful. Bye-bye. Love from your little explorer. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And tell your friends too. More fun is coming soon. Bye-bye friends. See you next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.